Welcome back to the channel. I'm your host, and today, we are breaking down a massive rotation in the equity markets. What if I told you that while everyone's chasing Nvidia at $500 a share, there are companies trading for less than your lunch that could deliver the same life-changing returns? I'm not talking about lottery tickets. I'm talking about calculated plays that the smart money is quietly accumulating right now. It's December 17, 2025. And something strange is happening in the market. The mega caps are at nosebleed valuations, retail investors are getting priced out, but there's a corner of the market where fortunes are still being made with three-figure investments. Today, I'm revealing the 5 small cap stocks that have everything you want: institutional buying, explosive catalysts, and prices so low that a 10% move means real money in your pocket. But first, let's address the elephant in the room. Here's what makes small cap stocks so powerful. You can build meaningful positions with small capital, and the percentage gains can be absolutely explosive. While a $500 stock needs to hit $550 to give you 10%, a $2 stock only needs to hit $2.20. The math is in your favor. But here's the secret that separates the winners from everyone else: liquidity, fundamentals, and timing. Every stock on today's list has a minimum of 500,000 shares traded daily. That means these aren't illiquid traps, these are real, actively traded companies with institutional interest. When you're ready to take profits, there's actual volume to support your exit. That's what makes these picks different from the nose. Let's get into it. Coming in at number 5, Canopy Growth Corp CGC, $1.98. Remember, when cannabis stocks were going to make everyone rich? Then they didn't. CGC crashed harder than most, and the market left it for dead. But something's changing. The company has slashed costs, the balance sheet is cleaner, and institutional ownership is creeping up. Here's the catalyst. Regulatory reclassification rumors are heating up as we close out 2025. If that happens, CGC doesn't move 10%, it moves 50% in a week. This is a pure momentum play. High risk, high reward. The sector has been beaten down so badly that even a small positive catalyst could ignite a short squeeze. The play. This is your lottery ticket with better odds. Small position, tight stop loss, and ride the wave if it breaks out. At number 4, Waterdrop Pink, WDH, $1.78. Pop quiz. How many small cap stocks are actually profitable? Almost none. WDH is the rare exception. And that's exactly why it's undervalued. This insurtech giant just reported a 60% increase in net profit and has been profitable for 15 consecutive quarters. Let me say that again, 15 quarters. They're using AI to crush customer acquisition costs, and their margins are expanding while competitors are bleeding money. The market is asleep on this one. They're growing in emerging markets where insurance penetration is exploding, and they're doing it profitably. This isn't a speculative bet on future revenue. This is a real business trading at small cap prices because it's off the radar. The play. This is your safe small cap stock. Strong fundamentals, proven business model, and room to run. This is the one you can actually sleep on without checking pre-market every morning. Taking the number 3 spot, Dingdong Cayman Limited DDL, $2.80, while DoorDash and Instacart are fighting for scraps in saturated markets. DDL is dominating grocery delivery in the most densely populated regions on the planet. High return on equity, consistent revenue growth, and a logistics network that would cost competitors billions to replicate. They just got upgraded to a strong buy by multiple analysts because they've figured out what everyone else couldn't: how to make on-demand delivery actually profitable. Their digitalized supply chain is years ahead. And as the next generation makes digital shopping the default, DDL is positioned to capture massive market share. The play. This is the growth story. Competition is real, but their moat is deeper than it looks. If they execute, this could be a multi-bagger in 2026. Our runner-up at number 2, Plug Power Inc. Plug, $2.26. Plug was a darling. Investors couldn't get enough. Then reality hit, the stock crashed, and everyone bailed. But here's what they're missing. The company is fundamentally different now. 2025 has been the turnaround year. Costs are slashed, electrolyzer revenue has tripled. And the green hydrogen economy, it's not a dream anymore, it's being built right now. Plug is a leader in heavy transport hydrogen solutions, and if you believe that hydrogen is the future of logistics, buying Plug at $2.26 is like buying Tesla at $20. The infrastructure spend is happening. The contracts are being signed. The stock just hasn't caught up yet. The play. This is the contrarian bet. Everyone's given up. That's exactly when you want in. If the turnaround sticks, this moves from $2 to $10 before you know what hit you. And finally, the number one stock to watch, Big Bear. ABBAI, $5.64. While everyone's losing their minds over OpenAI and the big tech AI plays, there's a company trading under $6 that's securing contracts with the US military. Big Bear. AI provides AI-powered decision support for defense and intelligence agencies, one of the highest barrier to entry niches in existence. This isn't consumer AI. This is mission-critical infrastructure, government contracts, recurring revenue, and they're expanding internationally. Recent price target increases from analysts suggest the street is finally waking up to what this company actually is. BBAI is my #1 pick because it combines the explosive growth potential of AI with the stability of government contracts. This is the stock that could leave the small cap world entirely in 2026. The play. This is where the smart money is positioned. Defense tech is booming, and BBAI is at the intersection of AI and national security. Load up before the crowd figures it out. Here's your December 17th watch list. CGC, the momentum play WDH. The safe bet DDL, the growth story PLUG, the turnaround BBAI, the sleeping giant. My final warning. Don't bet the farm on any single stock. Diversify across 3 to 5 of these to protect yourself. Small cap stocks can move 20% in an afternoon both ways. Keep your position sizes small, use stop losses, and never trade with money you need for rent. The goal isn't to gamble, it's to catch the early wave on real companies before the rest of the market wakes up. Alright. Let's break this down visually. On your screen right now, you're looking at your complete December 17th watch list. At the top, we have our 5 ticks ranked from number 5 to number 1. Each card shows you the ticker symbol, the current trading price, and the sector it belongs to. Below that, you'll see the exact catalyst driving each stock, the strategy you should use, whether it's a momentum play, a fundamentals play, or a turnaround, and the upside potential we're targeting. At the bottom, I've outlined the key requirements that made these stocks pass our filter. Minimum 500,000 shares daily volume for liquidity, active institutional interest, real revenue and contracts, and clear catalysts heading into 2026, and critically important, your risk management rules. Diversify across 3 to 5 positions, keep your position sizes between 2 and 5% of your portfolio, use stop losses on the momentum plays, and never invest money you can't afford to lose. This is your complete reference guide. Screenshot this, save it, and use it as your roadmap. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. If you found this analysis valuable, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on all notifications so you never miss a market catalyst update. Drop a comment below. Which one are you buying first?